In this class, we are going to learn how to make use of this total results query parameter in Oracle Fusion REST API. In case if you are consuming any get all Fusion REST API, you will be coming across those query parameters. In our classes so far, we had seen how to make use of this expand, fields, limit, offset, only data. As of now, in this class, we will see the use of total results. Now, in case if we are just hitting any Fusion REST API, we will be seeing the count, limit, offset, and the has more. Suppose if you want to know how many total results or the total count of the data is available in the Fusion, then we have to tell total results show in the response. So let me just copy this from here and I will create one more REST API, duplicate, and I will name this as total results. I will remove all the query parameters from here and click on send. As we had learned in our earlier class, by default, if we don't supply any of the query parameter, Fusion will return only 25 records. Now I will go to params and paste the total results. So as soon as I paste the total results over here in the params, in the URL, Postman will modify. So this is a Boolean type of query parameter. I will click on send. Now let me just scroll down. So here if you see, we are getting only 25 records in this particular API call, but the total results available in Fusion is 200. Now suppose if I query over here with the limit equal to 50 and offset I will tell as 100. Now what we are doing is from 100th offset, we are getting next 50 records and clicking on send. Now here if you see, we are querying from 100th offset and the 50 record, that is from 101 to 150. Now I will make this offset as 60 and limit as 50, click on send. This time we should get only 40 records because total results available in Fusion is 200. We had requested for 50 records, but the offset was 160. And since total results were only 200, from 161 to 200, there are only 40 records that it has returned over here. So like this, we can make use of total results in order to enhance our pagination experience when we build any user interface or related applications.